Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to create a door on your facade when you are using a curtain wall. Okay, so let's do it. The first thing I need to do is to remove these two mullions and remove this mullion and join these two panels together. So let's start with this mullion. So we don't need just to delete this mullion, we just need to remove the division between these two panels. So the easiest way how to do it is to find the grid line that is dividing these two panels. So we hover over this mullion, we use tab on our keyboard, and we cycle through the selection until we see this dashed line. If we click, you can see that we selected a curtain wall grid. So we click on add remove segments, we click here, and it automatically removed the mullion and also it joined these two panels together. Now we need to delete these two, so it works a little bit different. So we need to select this mullion, holding shift, we select this mullion. If it's not working for you, you need to uncheck, you need to check this option, select pinned element, because these elements are pinned on the curtain wall. So if you don't check this option on, you are unable to select them. Now let's unpin them and use delete on your keyboard and you delete them. And now we need to select this panel and change it into another panel, which is door. But in this project we don't have any such family, so we need to go to insert, load Autodesk family, or any family that you can find on the internet, type door, and we need to find a family called curtain wall door. Okay, so let's select this one, that one, and that one. We load it into project, and now if we select this panel and go to properties, we can see that we have multiple families there. So in my case, I want to use door, curtain wall, double storefront. So right now we have door there, and that's what we wanted to do. So I hope you learned something today, and see you next time.